blue crabs.
Quick.
Quick.
All right. First of all, you got to have a cold beer over there. See it? All right, here we go. They're trying to bite me already. There you go.
This is for people that don't like eating the stuff underneath the.
They're trying to hurt me. All right. Claws. I got a bunch of them. I got a dump in here. Here. Old little cooler lid, cheap cooler. There it goes again. Picture of it. Now. Yes. How would you like your head popped off?
It's right in the shade. Or you're probably gonna get bit or pinched if you put it in the sun.
Well, what we do is I get through, I'll pull all that, rinse them out, put them in there so they don't stink up the house.
Yeah.
If I boil them in the house.
So when you find these crabs and you get them out of your trap, you take the female crab.
I let
and
the
you throw
females
it back, and you can tell by looking.
I let usually the females go. All these are male crabs, most all of them.
You can tell by looking at their belly whether they're male.
Exactly. They're trying to bite me though.
Some people like eating the stuff on.
Well, okay.
We don't. So, I'm gonna call one.
I had too many in there, is what I did. I still have enough for my friend to give him. I'm fixing to wash them out and I'll show you how I do it. We'll show you how I do it. Here I go. So anyway, I'm gonna pop these crabs. So take off their mouth first. Well, I take those dead man fingers off. They call them, I think they're gluns. So anyway, I think that's what they call them.
Oh, those things.
They call them dead man fingers. Anyway, take them off.
Make sure you get it all out of there.
I am. I'm fixing to wash them out.
Here we go.
The next step is to wash them out with a high pressure hose. I'm washing all these guts out because my wife don't like them, but I like them with the guts in them. It takes the flavoring out. But I'm doing this for my wife so I don't get cussed out.
Beautiful day.
Got the crabs all clean and
Transfer
it's like picking peanuts now. But like I said, I like a few guts in my crabs and because it flavors them. But here I go. Fixing to put the boiling crabs on with the water. Okay? Take a picture of those.
Again.
All right. And got to turn on the gas. Got to turn on the gas. I think to strike this up. Right here. There it goes. put a lot of salt in there. That's how it's told by these fishermen out here. Put a lot of salt in there. And you gotta taste it, make sure it tastes salty, like similar to the water, the ocean.
Ocean water.
Kind of, you know. But it's gotta be salty. Might cause high blood pressure, be careful. It don't do me that way. But anyway, you gotta taste it. With salt. I think that's enough.
That's a lot of salt.
Alright, next. Black pepper. Put black pepper in there. Plenty of black pepper. Then I put the Louisiana salt. Pour some of that in there. You can't make it too hot. I make it too hot, I get cussed out. My wife don't like it. But anyway, when it boils up, I'm gonna put the crabs in that water. Fix to put them in the boiling water. Here they go, right there. One thing you need to know about these crabs, you don't want to boil them too long, it boils the meat out of them. So you got to only cook them about 4 to 5 minutes. They haven't started boiling yet. You got to wait till they start boiling. Don't boil them too long. Like I said, it'd be boil the meat out of them. But look at them. See the meat?
Wait on the
See the white? The meat turned white. Right there. See there? You don't want to boil them too long. Pan up there, and then my wife can fuss at me.
Alright, come on, let's get them out.
Alright, here we go. Here they are. Take a picture of that.
Looks good. Smells strong.
Put them right there. Sheesh. Let them cool down, I'll dump them in that pan. But they're going to be very good and very sweet. I told you a while ago, it's like cracking peanuts. See the meat on that? There you do that. I usually do it with my teeth. There's a claw meat. Then you can break them in two if you want to. And pull out that whole chunk of meat there. That's what I did. Very good.
Boom Pals app. Like, subscribe, comment, share.